I'm gonna get Jim big time. Just wait for it. Oh, look what I just found, dude. Here's your Christmas present right here, dude.
No, I ain't taking that cool shit.
No, it's not.
I don't have gloves.
Here's your Christmas present. A little bit of charcoal. A charcoal briquette. And that's what he gets in his stocking for this year. Just a little bit of chunk of coal there.
I like taking stuff from you without gloves on.
And twist top there. Aluminum.
Be dog doo-doo.
Screamer, right here.
Penny.
Penny. Coin. Boom. That's what I'm talking about, man. Bam! Junk there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, dude. Yeah. You want the left? Wow, there was trash here. They just put some new chips in here. This is a really deep target here. They just put some new chips in here, so deep. Like I said, it's deep. Right there. It's down their ways. It is deep. It's coin. A deep one. Yep. Wow, these smell like fresh pine here. Fresh pine here. Small little piece of foil there. Somebody just came behind me in the playground. Let's get out of here. Some kids in there. Get away from that swing because I cannot hear if I swing over a target. It's so loud, that swing is.
Going over under the tree.
Yeah. Bottle cap, yeah. Small target here. This sounds good. Oh, come on. This is small target. This one sounds good. Like jewelry. Oh, boy. Little ankle biter. Screaming away over there. Oh, boy. some, this wind's sketching me out hardcore, man, in this park today. A coin, a nickel. Look at that. That is crazy, man. It sounded small, but it's very difficult for me to hear right now, so I just can't tell. Our next stump. You know what you find next? Stumps. Jewelry. A couple targets here. Oh, this ground was really dry next to the stump. Oh my lord. Dry is an understatement here, man. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Pull tab right there. Dang. That is some dry ass soil right there. There's another target right in here. Sound like two of them. Yep, right there. I'll get this one too. This wind is sketching me out because that big branch right there, it was 3 or 4 times the size, fell last year in this park. So I'm gonna go for this one. Dry ground. I'm just gonna pop it. I don't break my hand digger off. Oh boy. Another pull tab. Right there, a teardrop shaped pull tab. I am not feeling safe on that side of the trees there. Even on this side of the tree, you see this big branch right here that fell today? That big branch fell there today. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. Get out of harm's way here. The ground over here is pretty much just too dry to hunt in. I'm not gonna be able to extract any targets over here. In that dry ground there. I'm not gonna even try to kid myself. Not gonna even try to kid myself. I might find a ring here on the surface though. I'm going for surface jewelry here.
Bottle cap.
Bottle cap.